Body systems. In this video, we will going to know about different body systems in our body. So first is cardiovascular system. As the name suggests, it consists of cardio and vascular. Cardio means heart and vascular means vessels. So cardiovascular system, it helps in circulation of blood in the body. Now it consists of cardiovascular system consists of heart, arteries and veins. Coming to the function of cardiovascular system is it deliver oxygen to the organs, it deliver nutrients to the body tissues, and third, it maintain body temperature. These are three functions of cardiovascular system. Second main body system is digestive system. Digestive system, it helps in digestion. It helps to absorb nutrients from food. It consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach and intestine. Now functions of digestive system are nutrient absorption, food digestion and third, excretion of waste. The next systems are the integumentary system. Third one is integumentary system. It protects body from environment. It consists of skin, hair, nails and exocrine glands. The function of integumentary system is to protect body from damage. Second, to excrete waste in the form of sweat. Third, to regulate body temperature. These are the function of integumentary system. Fourth is lymphatic system. Lymphatic system, it helps in circulation of lymph in the body. It consists of lymphatic vessels. Now the function of lymphatic system is protection against pathogen and removal of waste. Fifth is respiratory system. It helps in breathing. It consists of lungs, bronchi and alveoli. The function of respiratory system is that it helps in taking oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Sixth is skeletal system. The skeletal system, it gives shape and support to the body. It consists of bones and muscles. It enables movement in the body. The main function of skeletal system is it enables movement in the body. And the other three systems are the reproductive system. Reproductive system, it helps in production of offspring. To give new birth to a life, we need reproductive system. It consists of, in males it consists of testes, penis, vas deferens, whereas in females it consists of vagina, cervix, ovary and uterus. Eighth is nervous system. Nervous system, it helps to think and sense. It consists of neurons, nerves, brain and spinal cord. The function of nervous system is process information, sense nearby changes and third, muscle actions. The ninth is renal system. Renal system, it helps in production of urine. The urine production is the main function of renal system. It consists of nephron, kidney, urinary bladder and ureter. The function of renal system is blood filtration and waste removal by making urine or by producing urine. So this is all about the body systems.